And when Jesus was alone, those who were around him came up to him, along with the 12 disciples, and asked him about the parable. "Why do you speak to them in parables? And what is the meaning of this parable?" And he answered them, "Whoever has come to see the world has exhumed a cadaver, and of that one who has uncovered the corpse, the world is not worthy. I clarify my mysteries to those who are worthy of my mysteries. Do not let your left hand in on the workings of your right. My mystery is for me to share with the sons of my house. I am giving you such an inheritance that nothing in this world can compare with it. To you it has been given to know the secrets of the heavenly governance and the mystery of God's rulership. But to these others it has been given only in parables. For to these this knowledge has not been given. No, for outsiders all things are hidden away in parables, so that in seeing they may see, and yet never perceive, and in hearing they may hear, and yet never understand, lest they should turn and be forgiven their sins. For it will be given to the one who has, and he will have it in abundance. And whoever has nothing, even what he does have, will be taken away. This is why I use parables when I speak to these. For though they see, they don't perceive. And though they hear, they don't discern, and neither do they comprehend. And fulfilled in them is the prophecy of Isaiah, which says, In hearing you will hear and will never understand, and in seeing you will see and will never perceive. For this people's hearts has grown numb. They heard only wearily with their ears, and their eyes they have closed, lest with their eyes they should see, and with their ears they should hear, and with their hearts understand, that they might return to me to be restored. But joyful are your eyes that see, and joyful are your ears that hear. For truly do I say to you, that many prophets and righteous men wished to see what you now see, and did not see it, and to hear what you now hear, and did not hear it." Then he asked them, "Is the meaning of this parable lost on you? How then will you decipher the rest? I am going to give you what no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, what no hand has handled, and what has never risen in the hearts of men. Hear therefore the parable of the sower. The seed stands for the word of God. So what the sower sows is the word. Now those on the road where the word is sown are those who hear. Whenever anyone hears the word of the kingdom and does not understand it, Satan, the devil, the evil one, comes along and quickly captures and takes the word that was sown in their hearts, lest through their belief therein they might be saved. This is that which is sown on the road. As for those who are sown on rock, these are the ones who are likewise sown on rocky ground. These therefore are the ones who hear the word, and upon hearing it, immediately receive the word with joy. They are nonetheless not firmly rooted in themselves. They, being the ephemeral sort, believe only for a little while, and they quickly lose their footing whenever, for the sake of the word, trial or persecution comes, and they therefore fall away. And what was cast onto thorns? These are the ones who have been sown toward thorny places. And even though they hear the word, the age and its worries, the deceitfulness of riches, and the cravings for other things enter in and choke the word, rendering it unfruitful. And those who have heard and venture forth through troubles and wealth and the pleasures of this life are strangled, and do not come to their fruition. And that which is sown on fertile ground, these are the ones who, once they have been sown, hear the word, and upon hearing the word with a true and righteous heart, understand it, accept it, and hold on to it, and bear their fruit continuously, some of them 100-fold, some 60, and some 30. Indeed, one bears 30-fold, one 60, one 100-fold, and another one 120-fold. And he asked them, "Does one bring out the lamp only to place it under a jar or beneath the couch? Is it not meant to be put on a stand? Nobody lights a lamp and covers it up with a vessel or puts it under a couch. He puts it instead upon a stand, so that those who come in might see by its light. Know what is before your face, and what is concealed from you will be revealed to you. You see, nothing is so secret that it will not surface and be exposed, nor hidden so well that it will not become obvious and recognized. And nothing is buried that will not be exhumed. For there is nothing that was concealed that is not meant to be revealed, nor was anything kept hidden, but that it should come to light. If anyone has ears that hear, let him hear." And for this reason, Jesus advised them, Consider carefully the way that you hear. It will be measured back out to you in line with the way that you measure, and it will be added to those of you who are able to hear. More will be given to him who has something in hand, but it will be taken away from him who appears to have and yet does not. Those who are holding nothing will be stripped of even the little that they have.